Ever wondered what makes Swedish Fika more than just a coffee break? It's a whole world of unwritten rules, cultural expectations, and a few etiquette traps you definitely want to avoid. If you want to impress your Swedish friends, or simply avoid an awkward Fika faux pas, stay with me. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to mastering authentic Swedish Fika etiquette. Welcome to the Beginner's Guide. Let's dive in. Fika is one of Sweden's most cherished traditions. It's not just about drinking coffee or enjoying something sweet. It's a moment to slow down, connect with others, and appreciate life in that uniquely Swedish way known as lagom. Not too much, not too little, just right. Fika has deep roots in Swedish culture. It began as a simple coffee ritual hundreds of years ago and gradually became a daily social custom that strengthens relationships, reduces stress, and fosters community. In Sweden today, Fika is considered essential for bonding with co-workers, maintaining friendships, and supporting mental well-being. Now let's talk about the unwritten rules of Fika, the etiquette Swedes rarely explain, but everyone seems to follow. First, timing matters. Fika can happen anytime, but it often follows a natural rhythm. In workplaces, there's usually a morning Fika and an afternoon Fika. At home, Fika is offered when guests arrive or during a cozy weekend moment. Second, who invites and who pays. This one surprises many visitors. If someone invites you for a Fika, you're normally expected to pay for yourself, unless the person clearly insists on treating you. Fika isn't like going out for a full meal. It's more about sharing time than covering the bill. Third, the Fika table. When pastries, cookies, or cinnamon buns are served, wait until everyone has something on their plate before you start eating. Take one item first, not several. And yes, people notice. Refill offers are common, but the polite answer is usually, just a little. Now let's go through the do's and don'ts that will help you blend in like a true Swede. Do keep the conversation light. Fika isn't the moment for heavy arguments, dramatic debates, or intense political discussions. Stay positive, friendly, and inclusive. Don't work during Fika unless the situation demands it. Checking emails or taking calls defeats the purpose of taking a break. Do dress comfortably but neatly. You don't need to dress up, but looking presentable shows respect. Don't be glued to your phone. A quick glance is fine, but scrolling through social media during Fika is considered rude. Now for the advanced level of Fika mastery. Work Fika and home Fika are completely different experiences. Work Fika is short, simple, and structured. Maybe just coffee and a small biscuit. Home Fika is warm, cozy, and personal, often with home-baked treats, candles, and longer conversations. If you're hosting and someone has dietary restrictions, don't panic. In Sweden, it's very common to offer alternatives like gluten-free or vegan options. It's simply good etiquette. The ultimate skill is learning the art of lagom Fika. Stay long enough to connect, but not long enough to overstay. Enjoy the treats, but don't overindulge. Keep the mood relaxed and balanced. When you find that perfect middle ground, you've mastered Fika. So what have we learned? Fika isn't just a coffee break. It's a celebration of balance, connection, and everyday joy. Mastering Fika etiquette means embracing Swedish culture with warmth, simplicity, and an open heart. Now it's your turn. Try a real Fika, whether you're in Sweden or somewhere else in the world. And feel free to share your favorite Fika treat in the comments. Is it cinnamon buns, chocolate balls, or something homemade? Thanks for watching the Beginner's Guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cultural deep dives. See you in the next video.